Good morning, everybody. I hope y'all are doing well. My name's Anthony. You're watching Palmetto Prepared. Obviously, we're back in the kitchen because I got a really quick, really easy one for you. And today we are going to be making sour cream. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I put sour cream on freaking everything. Now, I'm also Slavic in my descent, so we make pierogies on Christmas, so obviously I'm going to use sour cream on that. But I do a lot of baking as well, and if you watch back at my bread leavening video, I will post a link to that down in the description, you will see that you can use sour cream and baking soda as a leavening agent. And that's what I usually do when I make my banana breads. I use sour cream. So instead of using that commercial stuff with the commercial thickeners, it's a lot easier if you are like me and always have heavy cream and buttermilk in your fridge anyway to make your own sour cream. The only thing you need is time. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. Alright, it's been about 26 hours and this is the end result. Obviously there's not really much difference in the way it looks, it's just the way it tastes because you are souring cream. But in about 24 hours, 25 hours, with it just sitting on the counter, you now have turned that normal cream into soured cream. One thing I would suggest though while you're doing this is maybe once or twice throughout that 24 or 25 hours, you open up the lid and you like manually burp it. You pull the top off and let the air escape, because the lactic acid does make a little bit of air pressure. Not that big of a deal. It won't explode or anything like that, but it just, you know, is something I do, so I'm just going to go pass that knowledge on to y'all. But like I said, this is super easy if you want to make your own sour cream so you can do your baking. The one thing also I want to add is it's also a lot thinner than your store-bought counterpart. You might be used to having the sour cream that you scoop up and it's like pudding consistency. Well, this is just like normal cream. It's runny, which actually makes it better for when you're baking. But if you're expecting that, you know, really thick texture, that's not going to happen. That's just something that you see in the commercial ones. They thicken it up, they add the thickeners to it to make it look a certain way, I guess. So I just want to go ahead and add that in there if you're wondering why it's not thick like the store-bought version. But if you like my video, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll catch y'all later, okay? Bye.